Mochi is in the kitchen. He is hungry. He says, "I want something sweet." He sees a big yellow jar on the table. It is honey. Mochi opens the jar. Pop! He puts his paw inside. Oh no! Fernie, the honey is very sticky. Mochi's paw is stuck in the jar. He pulls and pulls, but he cannot get out. Blue the bird flies into the kitchen. Blue asks, "Can I help you, Mochi?" Blue grabs the jar with his feet. Mochi pulls his paw. Shloop Mochi is free. The honey is on the floor, on the table, and on Mochi's nose. Mochi laughs. It is very sticky, but it is very yummy. Mochi and Blue share the sweet honey together. Honey, sweet and yellow. Sticky, like glue. Jar, a glass box for food. Share to eat together.